Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 Ridgeline. The Ridgeline was designed to give you exactly what you need to get the job done. And with Honda quality built right in, this truck can be with you for the long haul. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, backup camera, Bluetooth, trip computer, compass, fog lights, tachometer, outside temperature gauge, auxiliary audio input, HD radio. Experience the exhilaration of freedom on the open road.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.